Welcome! Your dashboard is your Circle command center. See all your active escrows, key deadlines, and tasks, and have access to all the features of Circle, all clearly and simply organized in one place. Next, let's visit your account settings at the top right corner. Make sure to fill this out right away. Upload your profile picture, update your password, and tap the pencil icon to edit your name, address, and any license details. Let's next explore Circle's powerful chat screen, which keeps your whole group connected. All clients, lenders, and more. Tap the plus button to open up a search, snap new photos, upload images, or share documents. One of Circle's amazing features is everything you share or do is automatically recorded into the Circle's live transcript. Occasionally, you'll be asked by Circle to acknowledge a message. This keeps everyone in the listing or escrow in sync. Every acknowledgement or missed acknowledgement, whether it's about a task, a late item, or a chat message, is recorded step by step in the transcript to keep everything crystal clear. Circle's task list keeps your transactions on time and on track. All tasks are automatically created and assigned by role with Circle's AI. You'll see everything organized into 3 key stages: opening, discovery, and closing. Hey new clients, unsure what a task means? Just click the small arrow next to each task and you'll get a clear definition, saving you time and a call to your agent. When a stage header turns red, tap it to see who's running behind. From there, send an automatically generated reminder email, direct from you, with just one tap. Circle's calendar is escrow specific, so no birthdays or unrelated appointments here. Just escrow action items, tasks, and user-set meetings to keep your escrow on track. Simply tap today's date to easily add new appointments or reminders. The contact screen lets you instantly connect. Double tap to call, message, or schedule appointments. You can also immediately share a contact with the group or individual just by tapping the share button. Plus, you can add a scheduled event to the Circle calendar just by tapping the calendar in the top right of the contact badge. Also, if you double tap the contact badge, you'll get more options to engage that contact. Circle will automatically save utilities by zip code, learning and suggesting contacts like cable companies, waste services, electric, water, and city utilities. So next time you open an escrow in that zip, they'll show up in the Shared tab ready for your clients without having to re-enter. Notice the participant tabs at the top of the chat screen and task list and contacts. Double tap any tab to instantly call or private message that person. It's built for on-the-go agents like you, so keep in mind, Circle restricts crosstalk, so you can only contact the people you're authorized to communicate with. Every conversation, task, notification, acknowledgement, and more is automatically transcribed and timestamped. Easy to reference at any time. Full transparency, built right into Circle. At the bottom ribbon, you'll see the Circle button. Tap it any time to pull up a contacts menu to manage your Circle. It's your one-stop control button to keep your Circle organized and moving forward. Tap this when you get a new listing or escrow to fill out a short questionnaire. This will fill out pertinent information that's needed in the listing or escrow and then add it to a Circle. Circle takes over with its AI and automatically connects, instructs, and contacts everybody to actively get everybody involved in your Circle.